Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with Chad Ellis, Vice President of Imports at Shibuya Hoppmann, about how sterility in food and beverage manufacturing has evolved to include sustainability, regulatory assurance, and long-term reliability. Now, we'll discuss how dry aseptic technologies are helping manufacturers meet these demands while maintaining high-speed, consistent performance. Chad, the term sterility in food and beverage manufacturing has evolved far beyond just preventing contamination. How is Shibuya Hoppmann helping redefine what sterility means today? And what are some of the biggest changes driving that shift across the industry?
Yeah, in aseptic beverage, sterility still predominantly means absence of microbial growth, but it also is used in the same conversations as global regulations, clean label, and sustainability. So we here at Shibuya Hoppmann take all this into consideration when working with our customers and providing an aseptic solution. And whether it be our traditional hydrogen peroxide sterilization or innovative electron beam sterilization, we're willing to customize our aseptic solutions to meet customer needs and industry shifts.
Sustainability is a major focus for manufacturers right now. Can you talk about how Shibuya Hoppmann's dry aseptic systems, particularly those using hydrogen peroxide and electron beam sterilization, help reduce water, chemical, and energy use while maintaining high performance?
Yes, so our hydrogen peroxide sterilization, when blocked with a blow molder, eliminates the need for bottle water rinse step, only using air rinse to obtain the FDA 0.5 part per million residual. And with electron beam, this technology goes a step further and removes the chemical bottle sterilant, instead using high-speed electrons to kill microbes, which provides a saving in both water and chemicals. Both these technologies provide a significant reduction in utilities compared to traditional wet sterilization technologies, in turn lending itself to global sustainability.
Your systems have produced more than 300 billion products without a single spoilage event. What design or engineering principles make that kind of consistency possible? And how does Shibuya Hoppmann support customers in maintaining that level of reliability over time?
Yeah, so we focus on maintaining robust sterility inside our aseptic chamber, having the highest fill chamber overpressure in the industry. This is achieved by our high precision intake and exhaust control system. In addition, we have strategic parasitic acid known as PAA pools located on our system prevent any ingress of contaminants inside the chamber. These attributes, along with our yearly overhauls by our experienced U.S. service team, ensures long reliability and robustness of our system, and has provided consumers over 300 billion products to date globally without any spoilage.
Well, looking ahead, how do you see aseptic filling and sterilization technologies evolving, especially with the growing demand for clean label, preservative-free products? How is Shibuya Hoppmann preparing to meet these future needs?
We have seen a strong interest in the U.S. to move to aseptic filling due to recent clean label and preservative-free products, as well as an added benefit to overall cost savings by lightweighting the bottles when filling in ambient temperatures. This bottle lightweighting has been realized in the Asia markets with our customers and now gaining traction in the U.S., in turn contributing to overall energy savings and global sustainability.
Thank you, Chad, for sharing your perspective on how modern aseptic technologies are redefining sterility through sustainable design, engineering precision, and real-world reliability. To learn more about Shibuya Hoppmann's dry aseptic and ESL filling solutions, visit ShibuyaHoppmann.com.